Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook. If this is the first time for you in our channel, first of all, a big welcome to you. And here we share every week delicious recipes from different parts of the world. And sometimes we also share our own homemade recipes. All of these to make the cooking process fun and easier so that we can share it with everyone. So if you are a food lover like us and you like healthy home-cooked meals and home-cooked recipes, then we ask you to subscribe to our channel. This way you can keep up to date with all our recipes as we upload once every week. So today I'm going to share with you my wife's very own chicken and vegetable fry recipe where she will show how easy it is for you, for anyone, to whip up a stir fry in no time. So here where you can see in a big pot we just added our cooking oil, which is extra virgin coconut oil. To that we added 2 medium-sized onion cut in lengthwise strand-sized pieces, and we added a little bit of salt to dehydrate the onion quickly so that they get brown quickly, and we are just sauteing it. And to that mixture we're adding some spring onion and some green chili purely for flavoring purposes, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So just saute the whole mixture likewise, and once it becomes slightly brown, to that mixture we'll be adding our chicken pieces. This is just one single chicken breast which we cut into strand sized pieces, and just mix the whole thing, give it a quick mix till the chicken start to get caramelized on the outer side. Add in your salt and chili powder. We added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, vary it based on your taste. And then we added a handful of green beans and just cover it up till it gets cooked. In the meantime, in another pot, we'll be just frying a little bit of sesame seeds, which is just 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, till it becomes this golden brown, this color. That's the point when you need to take it off the flame, put it aside for now, which we'll be using later on for garnishing purposes. And we'll have a quick look at how the green beans are doing. It seems like they need a little bit more time, so just cover it up for 1 or 2 minutes more, and then add in the rest of the vegetables. Here we are adding some bell pepper, just 1 bell pepper. To that we added 1 tomato chopped up, and we add in some coarsely chopped coriander leaf. Lastly, for drizzling purposes, we just drizzle in some pomegranate syrup. In this kitchen we tend to use quite a bit of pomegranate syrup. It's a very nice tangy sweet taste. But if you don't like pomegranate syrup, you can use soy sauce instead, which is basically the traditional way. Cover up the whole mixture for 3 or 4 minutes, and after 3 or 4 minutes you will see that your delicious nice chicken and vegetable stir fried is ready in no time. It's very healthy, low calorie, so we suggest you give this recipe a try. And also I just wanted to share with you a couple of our ideas which we would like to introduce to this channel, to this our video, because we normally share with you recipes of different foods which we make for ourselves, and we share it with you every week as much as we can. We are also trying to introduce to the channel of review of some of the useful kitchen and cooking appliances which we believe saves us a lot of time in food preparation. So this way you also get to see some of the behind the scenes appliances which we use to make these videos. And also we get to share some of our tips and tricks, which are healthy and also saves money in food preparations wise in the kitchen. So if you are interested in these kind of ideas, please let us know if this is something you would like to see us make videos on. This way we also get your opinion of what you think during the process, and just please put your thoughts in the comment section. So let's have a communication going on both ways rather than me just speaking over the video. So in terms of this recipe, hope you like this recipe. If you did like this recipe, please give us a like, share it with your friends and family, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. This way you can keep up to date with all our upload which we make every week. And as usual, thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. So till the next time, take care.